channel. Today we are with Bae. Welcome to my channel. My name is Miley Lonnie if you're new here. And if you're not, welcome back. Today is day 3? Day 2, I think. Either way, I don't know how I'm forgetting what day we on and it just started. Day 2 or 3 of 30 days of content, and we are going to CRUMBL cookie, and we're gonna be rating flavors that we like or don't like, I guess.
Happy birthday thing. They just brought those out of the oven, but like 15 minutes ago they said 15 minutes.
I'm gonna order online. I might have to just try to order them. If they have some ready, I want to get them.
Yeah,
The s'mores. That birthday cake is still not ready. Hi. It's so cute in here. I said I think it's so cute how everything is pink. So you got this one, the chocolate chip. Huh? Yeah. We gonna try it. We gotta try it. Thank you. Yeah.
Yes.
Would the birthday cake be ready soon? Or
It won't be until tomorrow. We ran out of ice or frosting.
okay.
Sorry.
It's okay. Thank you. You too. You want to take pictures real quick? So birthday cake isn't gonna be until tomorrow, and I wasn't gonna get a 6-piece unless I could get all of the flavors. So we just ended up getting the 4-piece. The apple pie one looked nasty.
I know, that's what I was going to say when we was looking at them.
So this is apple pie. It needs to focus. Chocolate chip, strawberry shortcake, and then I think that one was cornbread or something like that. Honey. Okay, which one you want to try first?
We already know what chocolate chip tastes like.
I was gonna say, yeah, that one could be last. I don't like chocolate chip, so you can have that one.
Okay. That one.
Babe,
right
you
there.
have
that shit
to
look
try
nasty.
it.
Like, it's just too much.
You have to try it. Okay, you take the little piece.
I'm gonna take a bite on.
I'll split it in half then. I'm looking. You think your mama would like some? I have water if you don't like it. Okay, 1, 2.
That's how it is. There's too much of that apple stuff.
I feel like without the apple, like the topping, it would be too dry.
That's what it would do.
Just the sugar cookie. I like that one. And I don't like apple pie, so that's saying something. But I would give that one, I would say like an 8 out of 10. What about you?
I'm probably say like 7.5, 7. What's that?
I think it's like cornbread, like honey cornbread or something like that.
I don't know if I rock some CRUMBL.
I'm trying to make sure you
stomach
get
hurt.
some.
Just like the thought of it.
I know, it'd be like too much.
It's like
This one is really
trying to hand out diabetes to motherfuckers.
Okay, you ready? Oh.
I'm alright.
I like that one.
It still got too much icing.
I give that one a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, almost like a 9.
Okay. Strawberry shortcake is next, baby. I'm trying to get a little bit of everything. It tastes like a real strawberry shortcake. That's really good.
It is good. I don't like the strawberries that they use though. Like the
Really?
strawberry flavor. If they just use like a different.
I like it.
Yeah, it's probably like a 9 too though, like 9.5.
I'll give this one a 15. I'm just a strawberry person. My hands are sticky. You want a piece of this chocolate chip?
Mm-hmm. I know it's like temptation. Like,
I know.
underneath.
Let's here, break it. I always like taste the chocolate chip just in case I feel like my taste buds will change. They never do.
Mm-hmm. 10 out of 10.
I give that one like a 5. I don't like chocolate chip cookies. I don't know what it is. Yeah, that one is not for me. I feel like that birthday cake one would have been so good. And the s'mores, yeah, the s'mores were good.